In today's video, I will walk you through how to get a t.me link in Telegram. Instead of asking someone to search for your name manually, you can give them your personal Telegram link, and they can use it to open your profile directly. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about public channels and groups. This is the most common reason people go looking for a t.me link. Open up your Telegram desktop app and click on the public channel or group you want to share. Once you're inside the chat, look up at the top right corner and click on the group or channel name/profile picture. An info panel will slide out in front of your screen. Right near the top of that panel, underneath the name and subscriber count, you'll see the public link. All you have to do is right-click on that link and select Copy Link. And boom, it's copied to your clipboard. You're ready to paste it anywhere. To get your t.me link, you can do this by clicking the menu button in the top left corner and select Settings. Then on the upper right, inside the menu icon, select Edit Profile. Once you're on your profile, look for your username. If you already have a username, creating your link is very simple. Just take the username without the @ symbol and place it after t.me. So if your username is @John123, the link would be t.me/John123. You can then copy that link and send it to anyone you want to contact you on Telegram. When someone clicks the link, it will open your Telegram profile and allow them to start a conversation with you. If you don't have a username yet, you can set one from your Telegram profile settings. Look for the username option and enter the username you want to use. Telegram will let you know if that username is available. Once you save your username, your personal t.me link will automatically be created using that username. Remember that your username is public, so choose something you're comfortable sharing with other people. And there you go. In just a couple of clicks, you can grab any t.me link you need on Telegram, any guesswork. If this quick guide made your life a little easier, hit that like button, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Have a great day.